Hello, grade 11, Department of Science. Our lesson is the excretion in man. The concept excretion, it's a vital process by which all living organisms must get rid of the waste product that produced during different chemical biological process inside its body or their body. The condition of excretion in animal, the passing of this waste through the plasma membrane. So we have two types of product or waste product. The excretory product, which pass through the plasma membrane, like water, carbon dioxide, nitrogenous wastes, or unexcretory product that can't pass through the plasma membrane, like undigested food and nitrogen. For water and carbon dioxide, they are produced from the degeneration of organic molecules, like cellular respiration of glucose. The nitrogenous waste product, like ammonia, urea, and uric acid, which are produced during the breaking down of protein. Both the undigested food and nitrogen aren't considered as an excretory product because both can't pass through the plasma membrane, where the undigested food goes out from the animal body in the form of feces or stool because it leaves the body without passing through the plasma membrane. Also the nitrogen, which enter the two lungs through inspiration and leaves them in expiration. So it enter and leaves without passing through the plasma membrane. So both can't considered or they aren't considered as excretory product. In human, there are many excretory organs, which is very important to get rid of the damage and the poisonous material and also regulate the body contained from water and mineral. The excretory material like carbon dioxide and water, volatile substance and spices, they are excreted from the two lungs, where liver is also considered as excretory organs because it transfer or transform the poisonous material into non-poisonous and insoluble form, like the deamination of amino acid that is monomer of forming protein into urea and uric acid. And by two kidney, it will be get rid of. Also, the kidney excretory organs, and by two kidneys we can get rid of water, salt, nitrogenous wastes, and spices. The last one is skin. The skin is biggest organ in the body because it covers the whole body and the limb. It also considered as excretory organ, by which water, salt, nitrogenous wastes with a little bit or small percentage will be excreted. The skin structure, it consists of two main layers, epidermis and dermis. The epidermis layer consists of surface layer and inner layer. Both are compound epithelial cell, compound epithelial tissue. For the first or surface layer, it consists of dead or non-living cells that are full of horny substance called keratin, which act as protecting from the microbes, protecting layer from the microbes. It arises from the migration of inner epidermal layer because it's subjected to fraction. So it worn out continuously, compensated from the base layer. The inner layer. The inner layer consists of living cells that compensate the surface or horny layer. Its base contains pigment cells, which secrete granules called melanin, protein in nature, give the skin its color. The dermis layer. The dermis layer, it's the lay pins or follow the epidermis, and its connective proper tissue contain sweat gland, fat gland, hair follicle, sensory nerve ending, blood vessels, and fatty cell. The sweat gland. It's the functional unit of excretion in skin. Consists of thin layer that is coiled around itself and reaches the skin surface in the epidermal layer through sweat pores. Its function is excretion of sweat, which is formed from water, salt, little bit or small amount of nitrogenous wastes. This sweat is evaporated on the surface of skin to decrease the body temperature. So the main function of sweat gland is adjustment of the body temperature. The hair structure. It consists of hair follicle surrounded by many blood capillaries